Managing your small business finances shouldn't feel overwhelming. For many owners, scattered receipts and spreadsheets cause endless stress. What if you could simplify everything into one easy-to-use tool? Introducing the Small Business Finance Hub. Built for US and Canadian business owners, freelancers, and Etsy sellers who want clarity and control. Log your income and expenses with just a few clicks, wherever you are. Track sales and purchases daily, automatically organized for you. Need to invoice a client? The Finance Hub generates professional invoices, ready to download or send as PDFs instantly. Stay on top of US sales tax or Canadian GST, HST, and PST with simple entries. Your tax numbers are ready whenever you need them. Monitor your inventory and stock value in real time. Never get caught by surprise with the built-in tracker. See your profit and loss instantly. Make smarter decisions with up-to-date financial insights. Works seamlessly in Excel and Google Sheets, on Mac, PC, tablet, or phone. No complicated setup. No learning curve. Empower your business, stay tax-ready, and bring peace of mind to your workflow. Download the Small Business Finance Hub today and simplify your bookkeeping.